Bernardino Butinone was born 1435 or 1436, died circa 1507 or 1508, was an Italian painter of the Renaissance, active mainly around Milan. He was tutor of Bramantino and collaborated with Bernardo Zenale. Others claimed he trained with Vincenzo Civerchio, with whom he worked in Milan. From 1491 to 1493 they executed the vault of the Grifi Chapel in San Pietro and Gessate in Milan. Their masterwork is the polyptych of San Martino in Treviglio, which was commissioned in 1485. Butinone's most appealing works are a series of small panels he painted depicting the life of Christ, which are now dispersed in various collections. These include the Adoration of the Shepherds in National Gallery, London, Adoration of the Magi in Brooklyn Museum of Art, Massacre of the Innocents in Detroit Institute of Arts, Flight into Egypt and Deposition in Art Institute of Chicago, Christ Among the Doctors in National Gallery of Scotland, Edinburgh, and Supper at Bethany in Blanton Museum of Art, University of Texas, Austin.